In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert table in Google Sheets. Tutorial. If you're tired of messy grids and manual formatting, this will help you turn raw information into a clean, professional-looking table in seconds. We'll cover how to convert existing data into a table, and how to start from scratch with pre-built options so you can get organized faster. If you already have data in your sheet, begin by making sure it's laid out in columns with a clear header row at the top. Headers are the labels like name, status, or due date. It also helps to remove any completely blank rows or columns breaking up your data, since that can confuse the selection. Now, highlight your data range. You can click and drag to select, or place your cursor in the data, and use a quick shortcut like Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac to select the filled area. With the range selected, go to the Format menu and choose Convert to Table. Instantly, Google Sheets applies alternating row colors, bolds your header row, and adds filter icons to each header cell so you can sort and filter without building anything manually. Take a moment to scan the header row after the conversion. If the first row of your selection wasn't intended to be headers, you can adjust the labels right there by typing over them. You'll notice the table is much easier to read, and those filter drop-downs make it simple to zero in on the exact records you need. If you pick the wrong range, just undo and reselect the correct area before converting again. If you're starting from a blank sheet or want a ready-made structure, go to the Insert menu and choose Pre-built Tables. You'll see templates for common needs like project trackers and task lists. Pick one that fits your workflow. These templates come pre-configured with useful elements such as checkboxes for task completion and drop-downs for status, which saves you time setting up data validation. Once it's inserted, replace the sample text with your own data, tweak the column names to match your process, and you're off and running. You can add or remove columns and rows as needed while keeping the table's clean look. With either approach, you've gone from scattered cells to a structured table that's easy to read and maintain. Your spreadsheet now looks neat, professional, and ready for sharing or analysis. That's all it takes to use the Google Sheets table feature to make your data work for you.